Hey everybody, we are super excited. Tomorrow on Tuesday, we're going to be going live from Cultivate. That's where Dale is right now. It's in Ohio. It is one of the largest horticulture conferences. There's so much going on out there. I'm so excited for Dale to show us everything going on.
Hey, this place is awesome. It's an 8 acre building. It is just full of all sorts of stuff. So we've got plants galore all through here. And I've been combing the show the past couple of days looking for all the stuff out here that I think is the most cool. And I've been saving it all up. Carrie and I have not talked about it yet because we want to keep the excitement. And I'm going to show you guys all of this stuff on Tuesday. So like, check out this drone. Look at that thing.
Wow.
I know
That's
there's so much random stuff here and automation stuff and robots and uh, yeah, it's like Terry said, it's the largest show in the country when it comes to this type of thing, and it's my first time here, and it's been so awesome. So tomorrow we're gonna geek out over it, to show you all the cool stuff I found, and we'll have some cool giveaways too.
I can't wait to see it. I'm as excited as everybody else is, I'm sure. Well, hopefully everybody will be able to join us tomorrow at 12 o'clock Central Standard Time. We will see you then.
Bye, y'all. See you tomorrow.